very great experience because I was able to be myself with Pure Mojo Studios, be able to go places that were cool and fun for me and brought out my personality.
We picked Glenn because we wanted somebody local. We wanted somebody that was from town. And then just kind of took a look at a few of the pictures that he's done and kind of looked over some of his wedding pictures and just really liked him, thought he'd do a good job. And
it was really a lot of freedom. You could do whatever you want. You just said walk and take your picture.
Yeah, just kind of go wherever, and like came out to our house and just took pictures by this like old truck in the middle of a field, which was fun. And I like it that he's going to come out to the farm for our wedding pictures and stuff. Like, whereas other photographers that we talked to, like, we'd have to go to them, which on our wedding day we didn't want to do. So that was good that he's willing to come over.